In this video, I want to show you how to export attribute table as text file in ArcGIS. There are some instances where you need to import your GIS data as text file to some software. So in that case, you will need to export your data from attribute table as text file before you can use it in such software. So for example, in this ArcGIS, I have this image. If I right click and open the attributes table, you can see the attributes of this very data. Now if you want to export it as text file, once you open the attributes table, come to table options, and here you can see exports. Click on exports, then navigate to your working folder. In your working folder, give it a name. Let's name it raster table. Then here, click on the drop down and select text file. Then click on save and click on OK. So it has been exported. So if you want to view it in GIS interface, you can click on S to add it to map, but let's click on no. Then go back to that very folder. In that folder, I have it here, which is raster table. So if I double click it, it will open it as a text file, so you can see. So in some software, you may need to input your data in text file format. So in that case, you just convert your data to text file like this before you use it in those software. But I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.